Hello, listeners. Welcome back to Shooting the Breeze. We are going to breeze through some tips and tricks for property managers in just 90 seconds with my gal, Corinne. Corinne, thank you so much for being here. Okay, so I've been a Breezeway user for a very long time. I like to joke that I was the first ever Breezeway client, which we have not verified, so I guess I cannot commit to saying that. One thing I want to ask you today, a big hindrance to us wanting to introduce new technology on the operation side, or even just like something we were afraid of, was how it would impact our boots on the ground staff, particularly those where English is not their first language. So talk to me about the implementation process and how it can actually make life easier for your staff that is boots on the ground.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think there's a couple of things. One is that we've spent a lot of time making sure that the app is really user friendly, and that also takes into account the language perspective. So our mobile app is actually translated into, at this point in time, 10 different languages as a whole, and then we also do translation of our requirements for up to about 90 different languages. So the
Wow.
entire app can be in 10 languages, but then your specific requirements of like what you need to do at each task can be translated for up to a very large number of languages. So really trying to take into account of those folks who don't have English as a first language, which is really helpful. But then additionally, I think when you start to look at that, there's other ways that we can help with that, which are also around like photo verification and providing people with the ability to see like what should a room look like. Because I think so often the idea is not that you go into a room and into a home to clean it or to service it and say like, I'm going to not put the pillows back on the bed where they're supposed to be. But it's, I've been in 10 houses this week and I don't remember that these pillows go in this room. And so by having those photographs and being able to see those, you actually know that these are the pillows that go in this particular room. And so we really try to make it easy for people to do their jobs and put the right things into the right rooms at the right homes.
I'm sold.
Perfect.
Listen, listeners, that's all we need. Sign me up. Just kidding. I've been the first customer, okay? I've been signed up for a long time. If you are interested in diving deeper into some Breezy solutions, go to Breezeway's website and make sure you go to breezeway.io/espressos for $100 off. And we will see you next week for another tip. Thank you.